Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. 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 I just wanted to quickly come and show you what I got in my March Boxycharm. If you follow me on Instagram, you did see a picture of the products that they sent me in this month's box. I am not mad at this month's box. The only thing about this month's box is that I got the Venus 3 palette, which I think is a palette that I may have decluttered, I think. But it's back, so does that mean I'm supposed to keep this palette and use this Venus 3 palette from Lime Crime? We'll see. So we're gonna jump right in. And I did calculate everything that is in my box today. It is supposed to be a retail value of $137. This is the theme for the month, Lucky, because it's March, and your little shamrocks and gold coins and horseshoes and all that good luck stuff. I feel like this March, I might want to try like a St. Patrick's Day drink. I have never done that before. I have never been one who wanted to, but with all the stuff that's going on in the world, I might have to go out and get me like a St. Patrick's Day drink. That's this coming Wednesday, right? The 17th. We'll see. I might have to get me a good celebratory St. Patrick's Day drink. But moving on into the box, since I already told you one thing that was in the box, I will show you. It is the Venus 3 palette from Glamlight. Not Glamlight. I'm saying Glamlight because I just did a Glamlight video, but from Lime Crime. And it has a retail price of $38. I am going to quickly pop this out, and as you can see from the packaging here, it is a pink palette, sort of pinky purpley mauvey type palette, but this is what the shades look like. That little film that was on it just quickly fell. I'll get it later, but this is the Lime Crime palette. The next thing that I am going to show you is the avocado hydrating eye mask from a company called the Beauty Crop, and it is a retail value of $18, and you get 3 pairs of eye masks in this box. So we are interested to see. This thing is completely sealed in plastic, or I would open it up for you. But that is what it looks like. So I have 3 sets of eye masks to use, and it says it is hydrating, plumping, and nourishing. And I have been noticing a little bit more lines and wrinkles, and not just fine lines and wrinkles, up under my eyes. So I am excited to try those. The next thing I got is from Cab Cosmetics, and it is a hydrating lip oil. I got a lip gloss from them before, and I really like it. I like how big and fat and plump their packaging or their products are, but this has a manufacturer's retail price of $20, and I am going to show you what it looks like. I did kind of try it on my hand the other day, and it felt like it would be pretty moisturizing. I will just quickly kind of swatch it on the back of my hand so you can see it. And that is what it feels. It feels like a thick oil. That's what it feels like. But excited about this one. This seems like something good to just keep in your purse. And it has a little bit of a pink color to it, so it would give your lips a little bit of a tint. The next thing that I got is from Maven Beauty, and it is the Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Manufacturer's retail price of $22. This is what the box looks like. And then this is, I'm sure, a full size because it is 3.38 ounces or 100 mLs. This is the setting spray. Ooh, ooh, I like that. I like the fine mist. I like that I can feel the mist hitting my face, unlike the Morphe and the Tarte Spray K and Satin sprays. It smells really, I just tasted it. It smells really, really fresh too. Not just like that little cloying rose smell, but it smells really fresh. So yeah, happy to have that. And then the last thing I have in my box is from Glow Recipe, and it is the banana souffle moisture cream. Now, interesting enough, I already have this. I just got my Boxy pop-up order that I ordered like back in February. This time it took them a long time to send me my stuff, and this is one of the things I ordered, and then they put this back into my order for March. But this is what this looks like. I am not super upset about having two of them because I like trying out different moisturizing creams, especially for nighttime use. So yeah, we will see how this is. This one says it's calming and hydrating. You get 1.7 fluid ounces, which is your standard. I do see the words squalane, which is really good and anti-aging. It says a soothing, lightweight daily moisture that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types. So, happy to try this. That is it, you all. So, I always say when Boxy gives you good stuff, they give you good stuff. When they give you bad stuff, it's pretty bad. But this box was pretty good this month. So I am happy pretty much with everything that I received. Like, I'm not pretty much, I am happy with everything I received in my March box, even though two of them were like duplicates of things that I already either had or have. But I'm not mad at it. So that is my Boxycharm box for the month of March 2021. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup.